FPC Cyber Insurance Norway app. The pros, the cons. The FPC Cyber Insurance Norway app is designed to make managing your abuse and cyber coverage simple and efficient. Many people assume it's just a digital policy viewer, but it actually allows you to submit claims, track premiums, and receive real-time notifications about incidents and policy changes. On the pros side, the app provides comprehensive cyber coverage, including protection against data breaches, ransomware, and network liability. Claim submission is seamless. You can upload invoices, screenshots, and supporting documents directly from your device. Premium tracking is clear, with reminders for upcoming payments and a full history of past transactions. Push notifications keep you informed about claim progress, policy updates, and renewal dates. The app also offers guidance for cyber risk prevention and incident response. On the cons side, offline functionality is limited, so most features require an internet connection. Some users report slower performance when handling large files or older claims. Advanced predictive analytics are not included, limiting proactive risk management. In conclusion, the FPC Cyber Insurance Norway app is practical, reliable, and user-friendly. While it lacks advanced analytics, it excels in claims management, premium tracking, and real-time updates. For businesses seeking a straightforward and efficient tool to manage cyber insurance, this app is an excellent choice.